everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem print elements of linked list. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically we are given a linked list, let's say 1, 2, 3 and 4. We don't need to do much, we just need to print the elements like this. Okay, so this is the question. We need to just print all the elements of a linked list in a single line. This is the question. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the next part. Okay, now in the practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Okay, then find the problem, print linked list elements. Okay, once you find the problem, click on solve. Okay, so let's solve the question. Let's first read it. Given a linked list, print all the elements of the linked list. Now, once we have written the question, we would code it over here. Okay, so let's start. It's a very easy question. Let's see how to do it. So basically, we would say while there is a node, okay, till there is a node, enter. What do I need to do? I need to print the nodes. Okay, node dot data. Okay, after every node is printed, I need to end it with space so that the next element could be added, right? Enter. Now from one node I need to move to the next node, so node dot next. Okay, now I need to check if it is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output, so now I would submit the given problem. Okay, let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem, print linked list elements. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.